Grilled salmon is one of the most popular breakfast foods in Japan, and it's easy to see why. It's simple, nourishing, and high in protein. Today, I'll share 3 real Japanese breakfasts that I make at home using grilled salmon. Nothing complicated, just simple, satisfying meal that fit into a busy weekday morning. To save time in the morning, I prepare a few things the day before. First, salmon. Since grilling takes time, I cook it the night before. In Japan, salmon is usually sold in pre-cut portions like this. I grill enough for about 3 days at once, then store it in the fridge. Next, rice. I cook rice in advance and freeze it in portions. I always keep some in the freezer, so in the morning, I just heat it up in the microwave. If you want to learn how I cook and store rice, check out my video. And one more thing, a quick vegetable side. Even just one small veggie dish makes the meal feel more complete and balanced. Today, I'm making simple pickles with daikon and carrot. Just mix them with sugar, salt, and vinegar and let them sit overnight. By the next morning, they are nicely seasoned and ready to eat. Once these are ready, breakfast comes together very quickly. Let's start with a simple salmon breakfast. This is a simplified version of a traditional Japanese breakfast. Using the salmon and side dishes I prepared the day before, I'll put together a quick and balanced meal. First, I reheat the frozen rice in the microwave. I also warm up the salmon from the day before. For the miso soup, I choose ingredients that cook quickly. I add tofu, green onions, dashi powder, and water to a pot. Then bring it to a boil with the lid on to save time. By the way, there are 2 types of tofu, farm and silken. They are actually a little different in protein. Per 100 grams, it's about 7 grams for farm tofu and around 5.3 grams for silken tofu. So if you want a bit more protein, farm tofu is a good option. That's why I'm using farm tofu today. While the soup is cooking, I serve the rice in a bowl and place the salmon on top. I also add some quick pickles on the side. To keep things simple and avoid extra dishes, I usually serve everything in one bowl. Now back to the soup. I let it simmer on low heat for about a minute. Then turn off the heat and dissolve the miso. And that's it. A simple grilled salmon breakfast is ready. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. For the next breakfast, I'm making a salmon rice bowl with a simple egg drop soup. Instead of serving the salmon as is, I'll flake it and make it into the rice for a different texture. Today I'm serving it in a bowl, but if I have more time, I like to make onigiri. My kids love it even more that way. First, I stir the soup. I add vegetable bouillon and water to a pot and bring it to a boil. While that's heating up, I reheat the rice and the salmon. For the soup, I like to add a bit of green vegetables for color. Today, I'm using spinach, cut into bite-sized pieces. Once the soup comes to a boil, I gently drop in the egg, add the spinach, and let it simmer on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. While the soup is cooking, I prepare the rice. I add the warm rice and salmon to a bowl. Then flake the salmon into small pieces. For seasoning, I keep it simple with sesame oil, sesame seeds, and a little salt. Since the salmon can be a bit dry, the sesame oil helps add moisture and flavor. I serve the salmon rice in a bowl and add a little bit of quick pickles on top. Now the soup is ready. I give it a quick taste and season with salt and pepper. And that's it, a simple and satisfying salmon breakfast bowl with egg drop soup. For the third breakfast, I'm making an Ochazuke style meal. By the third day, the salmon can get a little dry, so turning it into a soup makes it softer and easier to eat. Since I'm starting to get a bit tired of the same side dish, I'm making it with natto to change things up. First, I make the broth. I add dashi powder and water to a pot and bring it to a boil. While that's heating up, I reheat the rice, then flake the salmon into small pieces. Once the broth comes to a boil, I add the salmon and season it with a little salt. When the salmon is warmed through and has absorbed some of the broth, I turn off the heat. For the side dish, I chop the daikon and carrot into small, bite-sized pieces so they mix well with the natto. I add them to a bowl with the natto and the included sauce. Today, I'm also adding black bean natto, so it's a mix of two kinds of natto. Now everything is ready, so it's time to serve. I place the warm rice in a bowl, pour the salmon broth over it, and top it with some nori seaweed. I also serve the natto vegetable side. And that's it, the third salmon breakfast is ready. So these are our simple breakfasts using grilled salmon. I hope this video gave you some ideas for easy, healthy, high-protein breakfast you can try at home. If you like more simple Japanese recipes and tips, I share them in my weekly newsletter. You can find the link in the description.